Good morning, my dear students. Hope you guys are doing good. Well, the good news that I got a book for moral sciences for 8th class, and actually, the books would have been distributed to everyone, but the lockdown was announced untimely, and the books remained in the school only. But luckily, uh, n number of students have got the book which got early admission there, and most of the guys got the books. Anyways, there is no issues. I have got the book now. There is no need to worry about. So we'll start it from today onwards now, that exact book of our class. Understood? We have studied till date moral sciences only, but it was in a broad spectrum. Like you need to have that story based and action based moral sciences. So it's class 8, subject is moral sciences. Book for reference, the book name is Roots. Okay. That book, Inculcating Values Through Words and Action. The book has been written by Ahana Sharma. So I feel it's a suggestion, not compulsory. In case if you feel that you can get the book in your surrounding, like local bookshop. So try to arrange it. If it's not available there, no need to worry about. We have got. I can send you the PDF and screenshots everyday basis. Okay, there is no need to worry about. But in case if you are getting, good. So this is like inculcating values through stories and actions, right? Words, suggestions. So there are n number of stories, and finally the moral which we are getting out of it. That is the main bread and butter for us. So I'll show you the contents of this book and the chapter wise. See, the book Root 8 means its name is Roots for class 8. Okay, it has got 11 chapters, and each and every chapter has its moral value. Like that, no, in you might have heard that when we used to read one story from a book and all, it gives us a moral. Understand? Like if I give you an example, like honesty is the best policy. It just directly goes to your mind that no, that woodcutter and the that axe, that his axe fell into the water. It was made of iron. Then God gets pleased on him and he gives him the golden. He denied. He gave him the silver and he denied. Then give him the diamond axe. He denied. Finally, he gave him the iron, which that axe which is made of iron. He accepted. Then God blesses him and gives him the gift of all. Give that all axes. So finally, that has a moral that is known as honesty is the best policy. Similarly, these values are based on story basis, right? See, if you check on the right side, we have got that value, that is self-confidence. One story is based on this, and finally we find the moral self-confidence, because we need these things only, right? Means these things means, I mean to say, we need the moral, because the subject is moral value. We need to learn things from moral. Why we read these stories and all? It gives us the exact feelings. What happens? Because example, if I am telling you that honesty is the best policy, right? You remember it. But when I connect it through a story based, right? A kind of a picture based, we can say, it always keeps in our mind. That is the reason. Understood? Otherwise, it is not a story class. It is a moral science class. The morals are portrayed through pictures, stories, and all. So, see, respect for teachers. I have told you that these are the moral values of a student, but there it is again based on a story. Means finally you might have heard that Iklavya. I will teach you every day. Means we will go through the proper curriculum and the syllabi and all, so that you remember it forever. My aim and that aim is totally to you to inculcate, means to practice these things, and put them in your life. And really, by God, I'm telling you, these are the this is a subject which will live with you till the day of this world, because these are the real values. Understand? Say example, patriotism. It is taught to you in every field, but when you get some story based, see that movies, when we watch patriotic movies and all, our blood boils inside. Understand? So we learned, means how they have treated, when how they have commanded, how they have grabbed that point, means that they have to charge. So these are the things which give. That's why everywhere, means in student level, it is better to uh, teach you through the pictures. Understand? So that it always remembers in your mind. That in my childhood there was one kind of a bioscope, like they used to move that kind of a stenciler type, and we used to watch that stories in school. So now it's a high tech world. We have got computers, we have got every multimedia, so we can switch on to it. So another, like, take on humility. Okay, these are all up to down the this are all story based moral values. So let's not waste time, and let's start with the first chapter of it, that the frog and the nightingale. And the moral is self confidence. Why am the main purpose of showing you, displaying this page, is just know from the beginning what is the moral. You will encourage it every point, means I could have just taught you the story and finally give you the moral. No, you must know where I am leading, then only you will follow the path. That is the good thing, the different way of teaching. So I am giving you my experience. Understand? Example, if I have already in my mind, no, I have to lead some group, or take them to some destination, like picnic. We are going to Pahalgam, right? If I am telling you before one day, no, we are going Pahalgam, you will prepare accordingly. No, I have to go to Pahalgam. We'll have to go for horse riding. I must have the shoes. I must have that sweater. I must have that pen and pencil. Whatever preparation. So that is the only my aim, to show you this, so that you remain aware about each and everything. So till the time, you take care of yourself, and we'll start with the story, that frog and the nightingale, in next video. Take care. Bye.